Hi everyone, it's Nancy with Ash's Treasure. I'm here to share with y'all how we make our homemade ice cream. And here it is, all nice and whipped up. First we use our non-dairy whip topping. We find in our local store. It's called GFS, Gordon Food Service. So it should be in your local store somewhere. Then we use our almond breeze. This is the whole container. It's 3 1/3 cups of the whipped topping, the whole container. We use 1 1/2 cups of almond breeze, 2 tablespoons of vanilla. It's a 1/2 cup of brown sugar firmly packed, 2/3 cups of regular sugar, and then any flavor you want. And we use the black cherry. So this time I got it right. And then we whip this for like 30 to 40 minutes. It just depends. And here we go. Our homemade ice cream. I will whip it up again a little bit. Get the flavoring all through it again. But yes, there is our homemade ice cream. And getting started on Homestead. If you want some, come and get it. And thank you all for watching. And we'll see you next time on Ash's Treasure. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ring the bells for notifications for more videos. Later.